Welcome to another physics lesson. In this video, we'll be solving an exam question on the topic simple pendulum. And here's the question. The figure below shows a simple pendulum suspended from a fixed point. So here's the simple pendulum, and the bulb is slightly put to position A and then released. State one factor that does not affect the period of the pendulum. So for factors that do not affect the period of a pendulum, we have two of them. The first one, it is the mass of the bulb, and then the other one is the amplitude of oscillation. So any of these two is a valid answer. We have A, mass of the bulb, and amplitude of oscillation. So we are done with this one. We can move on to part B, which says if the values of time for 20 oscillations obtained were 16.1 seconds, 15.9 seconds, 16.0 seconds, and 15.8 seconds. Calculate the period of the pendulum. So in this case, we have been given quite a number of times which were obtained for 20 oscillations. So in order to calculate the period, we first have to find the average time for the 20 oscillations which were obtained. So part B, we have average time equal to the sum. So for the average time, in order to find it, we have to find first the sum of the 20 oscillations of the time obtained for 20 oscillations, and then divide by the number of times. So we have 16.1, and then plus 15.9, plus 16.0, and then plus 15.8, and then divide this by the number of times. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 of them, so we divide by 4. Now let's find the sum on top there. So we have 16.1 plus 15.9 plus 16 plus 15.8. So we have the average here, or the sum, sorry, with given by 63.8, and then divide this by 4. So let's divide 63.8 by 4. Now we have the average time given by 15.95 seconds. So now we have found the average time. We use this average time now to calculate the period of the pendulum. And period, it is given by the time over the number of oscillations. So here the time, we get the average, which is 15.95, and then divide this by 20 oscillations there. 20. So when we divide 15 by 20, we get the period of the pendulum equal to 0.8 seconds. So 0.8 seconds is the period of the pendulum. So now from here, we can go on and find the last part of the question, which is calculate the frequency of the pendulum. You can wrap this. So for frequency of a simple pendulum, we have two formulas that we can use. So the first one, frequency is equals to 1 over period, or frequency is equal to number of oscillations over time. So any of these will still give you the same answer. So I'll go with this one, where we have a frequency equal to 1 over the period, which is 0.8, So 1 divided by 0.8 there. 1 divided by 0.8, it gives us a frequency of 1.25 hertz. So this is the frequency of the simple pendulum. So we have come to the end of the lesson, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. And if you're watching me on TikTok, you can follow my page. And if you're watching me on YouTube, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.